Okay, guys, so meet Carl Shapiro. Many of you have already been working with Mr. Shapiro, and we're working with him in here today. So Mr. Shapiro has the Swan Ganz catheter, which, remember, it goes through a it's in a central line that's already been started. And then this catheter just infuses through that port. Now let's follow it up, and you can see, look at all the different ports. So a lot of these go to things that would allow monitoring. This is connected to our transducer. There's infusion ports. And then this is the tubing. You can't feel it, but this is the tubing that I was telling you about that is extremely stiff. And that's what allows the, that with the saline helps transport those signals to the monitor. All right, now let's back up and look at our setup here. We have our saline, which is under pressure. Do you remember why it's under pressure? And now here's our transducer holder, okay? Now remember, if we're going to do a CVP, or we're gonna do a pulmonary capillary wedge pressure, we have to find that phlebostatic axis, which Miss Zerbel and I have already done. So what I did is we counted down 4 intercostal spaces, and then we went to that mid-axillary line, and I wanted to show you that's how we marked it. So if we had a level, then we would use that level and go from that point right there, the phlebostatic axis, and we would make sure that our transducers were at the same level. If not, you're going to get incorrect readings, and why go to all this trouble if you're going to have an incorrect reading, okay? Again, here's another example of that arterial line that she's got set up for you. Y'all need to be sure and thank Miss Zerbel. She did a lot of work. So here he's got an arterial line in his right radial. What will be priority assessments because of that arterial line?